Hello everyone, this is Oliver Church and welcome back to my channel. If you've recently started a blog and you're looking to increase your readership, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to delve into the most effective strategies to drive traffic to your blog, right after the intro. I'm Oliver Church, a seasoned digital marketer with over a decade of experience under my belt. Over the years, I've had the privilege of helping dozens of clients catapult their organic traffic over 50 times within just a 5-year period. Sound impossible? Well, let me assure you, it's not. Hey, I know you were super excited to get straight into my juicy tips, but before diving into the strategies, let's look at a story that illustrates why these techniques are so important. First, let's introduce Bob. Bob is an expert in his field. He's passionate, knowledgeable, and works diligently on his blog. He puts hours into creating insightful, well-written content. Yet despite all of his effort, his blog sees very few visitors. Next, we have Alice. Alice shares Bob's interest, but doesn't have as much expertise. However, she decides to start her own blog about the same topic anyway. Unlike Bob, Alice is not only focused on content creation, but she also pays attention to the digital marketing strategies that we'll be discussing today. As Alice starts implementing these strategies, her blog traffic starts to grow, eventually surpassing Bob's by a factor of 10. Meanwhile, Bob, despite his greater expertise and hard work, is left frustrated and perplexed. The key difference between Alice and Bob is Alice used digital marketing strategies to attract and retain a larger audience. Now let's dive into these strategies and see how you can implement them. So let's talk about SEO first, because that is probably the main topic and the most important aspect. On our first port of call, SEO or search engine optimization. Now you might be wondering, what on earth is that? Simply put, SEO is a collection of tactics and best practices aimed at improving your website's visibility to search engines. And the goal is to appear as high as possible in the search engine results pages, as this increases the likelihood that people will click through to your website. SEO encompasses a wide array of techniques, from the words on your pages to the way other websites link to you. One key part of SEO that's absolutely essential for bloggers to understand is keyword research. Keywords are those crucial words and phrases that people type into search engines when they're looking for content like yours. They're the bridge between what people are searching for and the content you provide to fill that need. So you should aim to be identifying a range of potential search terms that your blog should rank for. By understanding these keywords and using them in your blog content, you significantly improve your chances of being found by the right audience. Now let's talk about the internal link structure of your website or blog. So a topic that's often overlooked but critical to SEO is your site's internal link structure. This is basically how the pages on your website link to one another. Think of it like a map that guides both your users and the search engines through your site. A good internal link structure makes it easier for the search engines to crawl and index your site, and it can also increase the time users spend on your website, and it can help you easily navigate from one page to another. Now let's talk about viral marketing, which is another important strategy. Before we jump into the concept of viral marketing in today's digital context, let's travel back in time to one of the earliest and most impactful examples in viral marketing, and I'm talking about the Torches of Freedom campaign run by Edward Bernays for the American Tobacco Company in the late 1920s. At the time, smoking in public was a taboo for women. Bernays flipped this societal norm on its head by turning cigarettes into a symbol of female empowerment. He arranged for a group of young women to smoke their torches of freedom as they walked in the 1929 Easter Sunday parade in New York. The stunt was widely covered in the media and played a significant role in breaking the taboo against women smoking in public. This is a powerful example of how a well-executed marketing campaign in viral marketing can catch the public's attention and spread organically, much like how a virus spreads, hence the essence of viral marketing. In the digital world, viral marketing works on the same principle. It's about creating content that's so compelling, unique, or entertaining that it's shared widely by your readers. The aim is to have your content spread across the internet, driving more traffic to your blog. So viral marketing can be hit or miss, but when it works, it can lead to a significant increase in traffic. Viral marketing is essentially the process of creating content that's so compelling, unique, or downright entertaining that it's shared widely by your readers. The aim is to have your content spread across the internet like wildfire, or like a virus, if you will. Now let's talk about social media marketing. With billions of users worldwide, social media platforms are a gold mine for bloggers. Sharing your blog posts on your social media channels can help you reach a larger audience and drive more traffic to your blog. Moreover, social media allows for easy sharing, meaning that your readers can help spread your content to their networks, amplifying your reach. Now let's discuss newsletter pop-ups. An often overlooked strategy that can increase traffic is the use of newsletter pop-ups. Newsletter pop-ups prompt visitors to your blog to subscribe to your email list. Once they've subscribed, you can send them regular updates about your blog posts, enticing them to return to your site again and again. An active and engaging email list is a powerful tool for driving consistent traffic. So the pop-ups will be the things that you see that come up when you first enter a website. I cannot stress the importance of having an about page, a contact page, and a privacy policy on your blog. These are not just formalities or fillers. The about page tells your story, the contact page allows your readers to easily contact you, and the privacy page basically is talking about how you handle personal information, and it helps you comply with regulations. So these aren't just important, guys, they're essential. Now let's discuss Google Analytics. Now, once you start implementing these strategies, it's crucial to measure their effectiveness. That's where tools like Google Analytics come in. Google Analytics gives you insight into your blog's performance, showing you how many people are visiting, where they're coming from, what pages are viewing, and more. This can help you understand what's working and what needs improving, enabling you to make data-driven decisions. So, how do you know what to do in terms of when you're starting out? Well, competitive research is a good way to start. So one tool I like to use is Ahrefs. It's a comprehensive SEO platform that helps with competitive research. It allows you to see what your competitors are doing, what keywords they're ranking for, and what topics they're covering, how many backlinks they have, and that kind of thing. So using this information, you could tweak your own strategies more effectively. Now, there's actually a whole suite of other SEO tools that you could try apart from Ahrefs. There's SEMrush, it does a similar thing. There's Moz, again, it does a similar thing too. There's other tools that can be used specifically for keyword research or on-page SEO, but I mean, if you have a strict budget, just choose one, and Ahrefs is my recommendation. So that's a lot to take in, but remember that attracting more traffic to your blog is not an overnight process. It takes consistent effort and experimentation. However, by following the strategies that we've discussed today, you will see progress. So thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more blogging and SEO tips. Now, before we end the video today, I just want to say, if you enjoyed my content and you would like to reach out to me, then please just watch the outro at the end of the video. It's just a few seconds. Interested? Fantastic. For a free, no obligation consultation, head over to oliverchurch.com and subscribe to my newsletter. Let me help you navigate these digital waters. Stay tuned for some SEO tips that will make a difference.